Welcome back to 40 Years, 40 Reasons. Do you know that GibbsCAM is part of the Sandvik Group? Together with our colleagues, we're driving several initiatives to create best-in-class manufacturing solutions. The programming tools GibbsCAM offers, designed to unleash the full power of Sandvik Coromant's exceptional turning technologies, are a great example of the successful collaboration. Today, we'll explore the key success factors behind the seamless integration of Sandvik Coromant's PrimeTurning into GibbsCAM. The integration of Sandvik Coromant PrimeTurning into GibbsCAM enables our users to program the tool in all directions in a much more efficient and productive way compared to conventional turning. The GibbsCAM integration of PrimeTurning is verified by Sandvik Coromant with all of the programming codes, cutting data, and techniques to set up proper parameters to achieve maximum output, including the use of dedicated CoroTurn Prime tools. Three key attributes of PrimeTurning result in increased productivity and long-lasting results. A small entering angle in the feed direction creates thin, wide chips that spreads the load and heat away from the nose radius. Efficient edge utilization. Using the profiling tip and both adjacent edges of the tool distributes the wear and moves heat away from the cutting zone. No chip jamming. By turning away from the shoulder, the risk of chip jamming is eliminated. Sandvik Coromant's PrimeTurning and GibbsCAM have proven to deliver cycle time reductions of up to 50% and up to 500% increase for insert tool life. Take advantage of the benefits GibbsCAM offers as a part of the Sandvik Group.